My name's Chloe. I'm an artist and a published illustrator, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a tulip flower. Let's get started!
Okay, let's start by drawing a big U. This is the flower. Then we're going to go to the top of one of the points and draw one line down, and then go to the other point and connect it down to the line. Then a little upside down V on top of the flower. And the top of the flower is complete. Now we're going to draw 2 long lines to be the stem of our flower. Right next to each other. And now it's time to draw 2 leaves. 1, 2, and then I always like to add some details to the leaves to make it look a little bit more realistic. I'm going to add 2 lines to the flower. And our beautiful tulip flower is finished! Woohoo! It's so pretty!
Bye guys! I hope you had fun drawing with me. See you next time! Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below.